Bengaluru's long-delayed LED street lighting project has come under fresh scrutiny after Development Minister Krishna Byre Gowda pulled up officials over the slow pace of work and lack of basic data. Chairing a review meeting on August 4th, Gowda questioned officials after they failed to provide the city's electricity bill details for street lighting. He asked why officers attended a review meeting without even basic data. The minister also highlighted that 34% of complaints received through the Sahaya portal are related to non-functional streetlights. He directed officials to ensure all complaints are resolved within 48 hours. He warned that contractors who fail to meet the deadline should face penalties. Gowda said the project has the potential to reduce electricity consumption by 61.01% once it is fully completed. However, he described the delay as unacceptable. The LED street lighting project was launched in 2018 and was originally expected to be completed within 3 years. At the time, the then BBMP was spending around 16.5 crore rupees every month on street lighting. After the original contract with the private consortium was cancelled, a fresh proposal worth 85.5 crore rupees was approved in 2022. In 2024, the project cost was revised to 684 crore rupees to replace nearly 3 lakh streetlights across Bengaluru. Despite the revised budget, progress remains slow. So far, only 2,67,270 LED lights have been installed. Of the planned 24,677 centralized control and monitoring system or CCMS panels, only 7,567 have been fitted. The minister has now directed officials to complete the installation of all remaining LED streetlights and CCMS panels within 2 months starting from August 3rd.